We
are we?
are Windmill Sewing Center, Sewing Machines Express, and Quilters HQ. The websites are windmillsewingcenter.com, QHQ2.com, and quiltershq.com. We are on block 13 of our Stitch Pink Sew Along, and I am so excited about this one. So, shall we get started with this block?
Sure.
And I'm back in the groove again. So this is on the website now for you to download. And it's a really simple block, which is great because that's going to leave us a lot of time to do the ditto and the steamer. So we're going to start. We're going to sew all of these together. It's important that you don't flip these the wrong way. So all of these together, we're just going to sew them down one side. And I'm just checking to make sure that my little doohickey, and I am going to start from the flat side so that I don't have to worry about my sides getting poked down into the machine. 1.8 stitches all the way up to super speed, and we're ready to go. So what I was saying is you don't want to sew one together like this. I don't know that it would really matter, but I think it would. So I'm feeling like this is the block that I've needed to get past the whammies. Does everybody remember that show? I don't remember the name of it, but it had the whammy thing on it. Do you? Before your time. Then we go around a square and it had whammies, and then the people would be going like, no whammies, no whammies, and then they'd hit a button and it would stop. Somebody tell us what the name of that show was.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
I won't let you so fast.
I'm using this little guide, which is super cool. So when you have this, it's available for, well, I know Brina has them. The TL18 has it. I don't know about the 2010 or the 2015. I like it better than using the 1/4 foot because the 1/4 foot can have a little bit of movement in it, and I like to push my edges right up next to that guide.
They said press your luck.
Press your luck. Thank you. No whammies. And then there was the guy that cracked the code on it. He figured out their algorithm, and so he went on this winning spree. And they thought he was cheating, but how can you cheat, right? If somebody figures out your algorithm, fair game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just going to use my doohickey here to press these seams all in one direction. And then we're going to make our blocks, and then this is just a really simple 9 patch. I like making these this way because my seams usually line up pretty well. Okay, that's all done. These will nest perfectly, just one on top of the other. I'm going to line up that center seam so that my seams are nesting nicely here. And we are ready to go. And I am going to sew a little bit slower so that I can line up these edges, those corners. The name of that show is Press Your Luck.
Ah. Hey Ruth, how are you? Hey Karen.
It is kind of weird seeing daylight out. So how many people had to get up and go to work today? With the time change. Or yesterday. I'm sorry, I was out yesterday. I keep thinking it's like my Monday. That's why Robert was giving me a funny look. He's like, what are you talking about?
Slower, she said, as she put the pedal to the pedal.
Well, you know, it was a little bit slower.
Spring break, I'm off all week. All right. We got another lady
Nice.
come in today that was buying a bunch of quilting stuff so she could get her spring break going.
Nice.
Hey Linda, how are you? Welcome from Riverside, California.
Ooh, Riverside, are you getting flooding?
Patty, welcome. How are you tonight?
Riverside's the desert, and I know they
Hey Beth.
sometimes do. So I'm going to lay this out to make sure that all my pieces are going the right way. So we want pink on the inside because we have a red center square here. And there are 4 corner blocks. So let's just go for it. It's almost start time to start putting air conditioning on again.
I think it might have kicked on today for a minute. Oh, Beth's all caught up on her blocks. That's cool.
Nice. Me too.
Kathy's still got 30 inches of snow.
Yikes. It's always amazing to me that it can be warm in some places and still snowing in others.
Hey, kitty.
See, I told you this was an easy block. You can just zippity-doo through.
Zippity-doo. Zippity-doo-dah.
Yep.
Hey, Julie, how are you tonight?
Welcome. We are working on block 13, and I'm going to press these seams towards the white because that's my unpieced side. Oops. Right there. These will go towards the middle. And then back towards the sides. And I'm just making sure my seam is lined up right here.
Everyone's doing well, Julie. Where's the creative needle located? Inquiring minds want to know.
And last seam and we're done.
Wow.
I know. Love it when blocks go together quickly.
South Louisiana. Well, welcome.
Next seam. This seam's trying to fold under on me. And then line up our edges. This building does make noise at night. Every once in a while I hear little pops and creaks and stuff. Okay, and we are finished with tonight's block. Super easy block. So, good night. Thank you for joining us tonight. Be sure and like, follow, subscribe, and